In this video, we will be looking at data stream types. A data stream can be of two types, streaming or recurrent. You can choose that at the time of creating a new use case or by going to its properties. You'll notice over here, there is an option to choose the type, which can be streaming or recurrent. Streaming type has been covered extensively in other videos. Recurrent type, which we will be discussing today, allows you to create a use case where your listeners or context providers do not run on a polling interval, which could be 5 or 10 seconds in a streaming use case. Instead, they run on a schedule. So if you go to the configuration of any of your listener or context provider, given that your use case type is now recurrent, you will notice it no longer displays you an option for a polling interval. Instead, you have this control where you can choose the recurrence for this agent. Let's say I want this to start at 9 a.m. every day. Then I can do that by giving it a start time and say that I would like it to repeat every one day. As per standard recurrence controls, you have the option to choose an end date or number of occurrences after which it will stop running. Now, when I publish my use case, this agent, which is supposed to look at a directory and monitor for changes, will be executed 9 a.m. from tomorrow. I have other options in recurrence, like weekly, where I can choose something to run every 1 or 2 weeks. I can also specify which days in that week it should run on. And similarly, I have the end condition over here. Likewise, you can see we have monthly or yearly recurrence, where you can choose something should repeat every 1 year on a certain date. So that is how you configure a recurrent data stream.